We're here at the Comfort Inn here in Schererville, Indiana. Check out what we have here. The Impulse. Oh look, a Pepsi machine. Andrew, you're gonna like that. I got a Diet Pepsi. Here it is. Look at this. Ah, yes. That's the first time I've ever seen a door open button. Let's go to 3. Got the bumper. There's the 88 phone. That stuff at the bottom is dirty. Impulse buttons. Look at this door open button now. That works. Let's consider the cab view here. Honestly, the cab itself is pretty nice. Not too shabby. £2,500 capacity. I think I love this.
Oh, what happened there?
Someone took the button out.
Oh.
And there goes the elevator. Let's see if the Pepsi machine has a Diet Pepsi. Because I bet no Andrew will love that.
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that. Diet Pepsi. $2 for a Diet Pepsi. There's the steps over there. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.